Nose. Where's your mouth? Mouth toes. No. Hey. Nose. Why are you eating those toes? Oh, they taste yummy? Riley! Is that yummy? Riley! Hey.
I wonder how they get so much flavor in there.
You gotta stop wiggling it. You can't eat it if it's wiggling.
HGTV Green Home 2011 in the Stapleton community in Denver, Colorado is the hot new standard in green living. Enter now for your chance to win this eco-fabulous home.
You're trying to chew off your toe so you can fit it in your shoe? Here. Put it in your shoe.
GMC Terrain and $100,000. Brought to you by GMC, Shaw Floors, Moen, and Sherwin-Williams. Enter daily at HGTV.com for your chance to win the HGTV Green Home.
Hey.
We share. Shop from anywhere. And are always connected. We live in a social world. Isn't it time we have social currency to make
Is it on? Is that it on? Nose! Nose! Where's your belly? Where's your belly? I can't see. I can't see your belly. Where's your belly?